Buonasera paisani and welcome to another edition of Big Mamas Gather here live on Instagram. As you can see tonight, my background is not my flag. Tonight is a special edition of the Friends. The reason why I'm here tonight is to show you the inventory that we have from our online store. First of all, I would like to thank Cafe Italy. They sponsored us with coffee pods, and their machine, their coffees are available. I'm just going to flip the camera so you guys can see the products that we have. We're going to start with the goodies. The goodies are the cookies. We have the waffles. I call them frou-frou. All kids love these. They're vanilla flavored. They're amazing. We're going to move on down to the cookies. We have balocco cookies. We have all kinds of different shapes, different sizes. These are the cookies. There's more cookies down there and a little bit more there. We're running out. We also have to make tiramisu or just eat like that. We have semolina flour. We have beautiful products. We also have different types of pastas. You can just grab one of these and gift it. So you have all kinds of... we have the butoni. We have I cavatuna. We have the penne. We have gnocchi, organic. We have with quinoa. We also had gluten-free. We have spaghetti a funghi e porcini più mushrooms. We have spaghetti with spinach, very healthy. We have extra virgin olive oil. We have raisin olive oil. We have usuku, tomato sauce. We have peeled tomatoes. We also have the espresso pods. We have more pastas, more specialty pastas. Glaze, this glaze is amazing. You cook with it. You can put it in your salad. We have the regular balsamic vinegar. We have flavored apple cider one. This one is, we also have spreads like, this is amazing. We have risotto ultimate favorite. This makes for a great, light, healthy snack. Sea salt caramel chocolate. So as you can see, let me turn this over. So as you can see, we are fully equipped. There's one more thing also, the apron. We have a beautiful apron that you can find on our online store as well for the Italians of Montreal to support us, and you can wear it when you make your online store. And you can always visit it and order online at friends4cause.myshopify.com. So I really hope and encourage you to check it out and make an order. Obviously, whatever we're doing with the sales is going to be donated to the Lighthouse and Galileo. So I'm just going to flip the camera here. Look at this beautiful coffee machine. I made myself a nice latte here. Cafe Italia. This is an amazing machine. You can find it on our online store. They even have a frother, which makes the beautiful scommazza. This is gorgeous. Thank you very much to Cafe Italia. These are the pods. I'm going to show you the pods. These are the pods that go in them. So guys, I really encourage you to shop on our online store. Proceeds will be going to the Lighthouse and Galileo. As you can see behind me, it's full stocked, and there's a lot more on the online store. So that's it for tonight, because we're going to be having a meeting later on, and I gotta go. So guys, like always, stay safe. I love you. Thank you for watching. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.